Good morning and welcome. Jilly Cube here. I am trying something a little bit different, I guess, in my head today. I'm trying this kind of starburst pour, but I'm doing a outer layer blowout first, then blowing out the inside second. So normally I would blow from the inside all the way out. Just trying to get a different effect, and the thing is, this one is literally done with colours I have left over. They are exactly the colours that I have sitting there, and I thought if I don't use them they will just go real chunky and nasty. So rather than just throwing them out, because they've been probably sitting there 2 weeks now, I'm not sure, I thought I'd create something with it and, win a chicken dinner, or if not, it was, another practice session, isn't it? So as you see, I have got that 50 by 50 canvas and I'm just layering the colours around in a circular motion, just trying to sort of work out where that green that I just put down was a metallic green, how I didn't want to put it in the centre anywhere because it could have an opportunity to change the whole colours that I put down. But anyway, we'll take this as a therapy and test session, but I will definitely do this in some colours that I've, purposely mixed up. But anyway, we'll see what you think and let me know. Just giving it a whiz over with the heat wand to burst any air bubbles in there, and then I'll get my little dryer and get doing the blowout how I told you I'm going to do it. I'm going to blow out the outer section first. I start off forgetting which way mine was going, and then think, no, there you go, now I'm doing it. I think, no, you've got to blow out the outer section first and then the inner section. So we just give it a go. Oh my goodness. It kind of coming out like a bit of a hot mess, I think, because I don't think these colours are a very good marriage together. I don't think so. But like I said, they were leftover colours, and I wanted to see if the idea or concept would be, a wise thing to do, doing the kind of double blowout. And it definitely left some fantastic effects and definitely would work really well with colours that marry together a little bit better. As you see, that centre there looked a bit sort of stark. It did look like a little bit of a ghosty in the centre, like the Ghostbusters type ghost. So I'm just adding some whirls to break it up, I guess. And also it's good therapy. It's like the ASMR therapy. You do. It's quite nice, but I'll just fiddle on with my stick, and I'll give you a close-up and see what you think. Wow, what a surprise. It really was. As I said when I started, I wanted to see if I could do a like three-dimensional chaos blow, meaning blowing the outer edges out first and then that centre. And it did work, all with paints that I was literally going to scrap because they'd been there well over a week. They were covered with a damp cloth, but they had gone a bit, a bit chunky. I had to put a bit of water in them, and I thought, well, rather than tip them away, let's go crazy and do something, bizarre. So that's kind of 2-layered, blowing that bottom layer out, and then the top over the bottom. That definitely needs exploring a bit further. I know that I've done things very similar to it before, but there you go. It was all paint that I was going to throw out, and now I think that's U-Butte super duper. So probably, oh, look at that bird there. Yeah, I wanted to do the whirly gigs in the centre because just sitting there a blob of white, didn't like that. Look at that. Wow, that's gorgeous. So yes, super happy with the results from that complete random sort of starburst into the universe. So guys, let me know what you think. Crazy, does it look as though it's layered? But I am definitely going to try with some fresh colours, blowing out the outside first and then the inside over the outside. That's it. Please take care, my lovelies, and I'll be back tomorrow. Bye for now.